So guys, welcome to another episode. My name is Grace Carry Mission. To my returning subscribers, thank you always for being here. And if this is your first time here, consider subscribing. Talking live from the village. Actually, I'm at my home, and for those ones who are new here, actually this is my home village. This is where I come from, guys. This is my parents' house, guys. They're still here. So actually I am just going out like, and this is the gate of my brother here. He doesn't stay here, guys. So this is the bananas here, but they have not put anything yet. So guys, we are it's better to wake up in the morning, and you should have a walk, like, guys, so that you refresh your mind also, like that. And this is the gate here that we usually go out when we are going out, guys. So, and this is the small road where we come from, guys. Yes, when you are going this road, it's like when you are going to town, and going to town, actually we just walk, but you can still use a motorbike. Yeah, still you can use a motorbike. I'm covering my hair because my hair is too bad. I washed it yesterday. If you look at the video from yesterday, I just washed my hair at the stream. That's why I'm covering it like this. It is very bad, guys. Yeah. So guys, I had to buy tea leaves and banga soap. We usually use this banga soap here, and this is half kg usually, and they usually pack it like this, guys. So they pack it like this, and I hear that this one is going to be $1 in from tomorrow, maybe, I don't know. So I don't know how much, so I have spent $1 and 0.5 cents, like, guys, 135. That's one more dollar money, like, yeah. Here we are on the way building my new bathroom, guys. Oh, you know, I can sit inside, and this is how it is. Not that big, like I am and I myself, I am a 1 GB. So I can sit here, guys. So we are doing the mixture of green and the dry leaves of banana. They are the best. Usually this one they can last longer as long as they have dried up. So this is it. So guys, I wanna repair it. There is a video that we started, and we reached a way that we were almost finishing, but then I got someone, my in-law passed away, so this is where we reached, and then we are going on from this time here, guys. So I have to correct some materials here. So I also have to put them from outside. This is how it looks, guys. So you see, it's very even if you shake it, because you are not going to hold while you're showering, you are just going to shower inside. So that is it, guys. So I love it like this, guys. It's a temporary bathroom. If some visitors comes when you are having visitors, like when you have lost someone at your home, this is what they do. They usually build this such a temporary thing, and then you wanna use it until the channel is over, and that is it. Let's feel it like guys. So we are just on our roof. See how it appears here. It's very much amazing. Also from inside. So even if I'm here, I don't think that you can actually make it. So this one here was the door. So it's a temporary thing when you have sisters, like a lot of sisters. They usually put such a thing so that you can share inside this. Here. It's very easy. So that is it. Hope you are enjoying this video here. That is it. Drop a comment what you think about this bathroom here. It's very much amazing. Actually, you have to use your IQ, and then everything gonna appear on square. Yeah. So guys, this is the firewood. It's from the tea leaves. And the usually goes from here. So we don't have a heater. So I'm going to warm the water using this kettle here, because we don't have a heater at the village. We don't have heaters, but then you wanna go and put on the heater for me here. We don't have that, guys. So let's put on the fire. Hey, it is very wet, and it has been rained on. This is fire here. So I have to measure first if my makeup is just you push it inside, and then when I measure it, that's big, and again it's very big, so I have to push again, and then now it is fine. So now fine, guys. So we have to put on this. So this is how we put on the fire. This is the village, guys. And you have to, you're supposed to be careful, guys. So guys, this is the water that we usually use. This is rain water, and now I should be careful with this. Wow. And then we cover it like this. So if you need to shower, this is what we do here, guys. Should add a lot of so guys, I should be here because the firewood is so tiny, so I have to be here so that I keep on pushing the firewood inside, guys. Drop a comment what you think about this video, guys. Talking live from the village today. I am a cow guy. Because of this, I am a cow guy. We have cowboy, so today I am a cow guy. So guys, I love to check whether the water is ready, and usually here you have to be careful. I have to use this box here. Just it's ready, guys. It's ready, so I should remove it. So as someone who wants to shower, here we have with a basin. So guys, because this is cold water and this is warm water, so what I have to do, I have to put on the warm water first, guys. This is warm water first. And then we add cold water. If you want to wash a small baby, you just test it with your elbow like this. If it burns, that means that the baby is going to get burned. Like this. This one you cannot wash. So we add the water, guys. Because it is too hot, you can also look at the sun. It's very hot, so I don't need such a hot water. I should test it with my hand like this. It is warm. So we don't need a heater here at the village. This firewood and the water so that you warm it. If you have a visitor who don't shower with the cold water, this is what you do, guys. It's very much easy. So you save your time, you save your money paying the electricity in boiling the water, guys. So drop a comment what you think about this video here. Don't live from the village. Hope you are enjoying more amazing videos from here at the village, guys. So thank you so much for coming to watch. Let me show you how we are going to use our bathroom, but I'm not going to share. So you take for your visitor. For your visitor, you put the water here. Guys, it's very tiny, but if you have eaten like this, like obesity, you know, you don't shower here. Someone who's one GP like me here, that's you can shower here. It is very warm. The water is very warm, guys. But here I have to put something. So guys, here we don't have towels, so people usually use their suka. If you are at the field, you know what suka is. Kikoi. Enter inside your bathroom. Actually, if you don't want someone to see from the door, just put like this. And like this. So you start showering. When you put like this, someone knows that you are in the bathroom. So I don't want to remove my cap. Ooh, my hair is bad. So you shower. Ooh. Guys, after showering, we are going to do a video of just come to shower here, but then I was just doing showing you how we should do it, guys. And then they remove their suka. Now wanajifunika and then you go out. Wanajifunika and then you go out, guys. So this is it. Actually, we are going to do a video of showering inside here because now it is finished. There was someone named Maria was telling me that I want to see how the bathroom is. So this is it, guys. So you will have to wash your legs here. This is just a warm-up because I'm going to do a video here. So let's wait. Thank you so much for coming to support me. I really appreciate the love. So we are talking live from the village, guys, and mostly this is my home village. Please go like the video, share to your friends, to your community, guys. I really love you from here to the village, and let's meet in another video. Bye bye, ciao ciao, bye. Love you all.